Okay, good morning, sir. So my name is Junior. Metric number is 246370. So next I will proceed my part, which is the SWOT analysis about our product Maybank Pay. So as we all know, actually a product or a service has their strength or weakness, opportunity and threat. So now I'm going to discuss about the Maybank Pay, the SWOT analysis of the Maybank Pay, our product. So actually, the strength and weakness is at the internal categories, and the opportunity and threats are under the external categories. So if you want to improve our product, we need to improve in internal and external of our environment. So first, the strength. So the strength of the Maybank Pay, first one is allow user to pay quickly without having to reach their wallet. So Maybank Pays allow the user to pay quickly without to have their customer to take out their wallet, as it replaces the need of cash and cards. So most of the transaction can be completed in a second without the need of withdraw the credit card, debit card or cash and coin. So this will save a lot of time for the user. Next, provide instant record keeping, quick viewing of account balance, tracking transaction history and obtaining monthly online report. So from the Maybank Pay apps, we can do this type of activity through the online. So we just click on the Maybank Pay apps, so we can know the transaction or record for the monthly, quarterly or yearly. So from that we can actually know that at that month we already spend how many money, spend on what, and the transaction, the one of the transaction is how many money. So next, the Maybank Pay apps can provide the security and privacy are guaranteed. So the mobile wallet is encrypted to protect the user personal details and also the information. So the actual card account number will not be transferred at the time of the payment. So next, the next strength is automatically convert to foreign currency. So when consumed in other country, when we got the Maybank Pay apps, so the customer no need to convert in manually. They can convert the foreign currency through the Maybank Pay apps. So this is also very convenient to the user and also save a lot of time. So last of the strength is the user of Maybank Pay have various rewards. So as we know, the Maybank already do a cooperation with many entertainment company or other company to promote their product, so that more and more user will download the Maybank Pay apps and use it. So from here, the Maybank is already work with the entertainment store and catering restaurants such as the TGV Cinema, KFC, McDonald's and more. So when the user buy at those stores where the bank works, they will be able to get cashback or other type of reward. For example, the promotion. So for example, I can give is the TGV Cinema, as I also the user of Maybank Pay. So when I go to TGV Cinema and make the payment through the Maybank Pay, so I can get one more free movie ticket when I make a payment by using the Maybank Pay apps. So next is the weakness. So first of the weakness is limited merchants offer virtual mobile wallet service in their store. So to support this new technology, actually some of the company need to install the appropriate hardware in their store, which leads to further cost. That's why there are still many businesses that don't offer this type of option to the customer, especially in the rural areas. So next, the system was interrupted during the payment. As we know, actually the Maybank Pay apps need to work when it have internet. So when a system failure occurs, or when the customer is at the area that the internet connection is not very strong, as a result, the business will not be able to process payment and cause problem for users who do not have cash or cards. So in addition, high traffic in the server may occur, causing the transaction process to slow down. So next is the Maybank Pay apps of some features are still in beta. So they are only supported by some phones. The virtual wallet app is designed for iOS and Android only, but it's still in beta to support to all types of smartphones. Some orders or iOS or Android smartphone may also not to support the functionality of the mobile apps. So next, the banks need to get a considerable amount of capital to build a functional mobile application. So developing a software takes a higher cost. So and also the smooth running of the application requiring ongoing maintenance, updates, network support, and the professional workers. So so the need of this type of thing. So for some of the company that do not have a huge amount of capital, so they cannot to build a mobile wallet application in their company. So next is the opportunity. So the first one is many companies are trying to accept and adapt digital currency to cash. As we all know, now is the high technology world. So if we still do not update our things based on the technology, on future we will be outdated by the technology. So now many companies are trying to catch up the technology. So this for the Maybank Pay apps is the opportunity. So many companies will try to approach the Maybank Pay apps in their company so that they can catch up the technology. So next, as I mentioned then, so now is the technology new world. So the new technology improvement can be used as a tool to promote bank virtual wallet application. So in addition, the mobile wallets can be extended to more and more markets, including independent business owners such as taxi driver. Future virtual mobile wallets may grow. So last of the opportunity is no competitors in our main target market. So our main target market is at UUM via City Mall. So lack of the marketing offer from the competitors marketing teams, since our product are new, so we were able to take this advantage of our product without a competitive advantage. So although it takes a long time to accept to promote the product to the new customer, but due to the no competitor, we have more opportunity can make sure that the new customer will use our Maybank Pay apps. So last is the tricks. So the first trick is user may eventually install malware application on their phone. The way an attacker attacks someone's phone is to redirect the user to a malicious URL from public insecure Wi-Fi, fake access point with the same network, fake website, and so on. So they use the information they get to commit the fraud. So this is the one of the tricks is very big to our product. So next, trading a place with poor internet connection is a hassle. So if the user goes to a place where there are not enough of mobile towers to support the signal or connection, the mobile networks will very low, and lastly, our product Maybank Pay apps will cannot use it. So next one is the lack of the rules governing mobile payment transaction has made consumer more cautious in making such payment. So user actually believe that they face inadequate federal protection, posing a security breach and the risk of privacy violation by provider or third parties. And last one is many people are still skeptical about the Maybank Pay apps. As I mentioned that our product Maybank Pay apps is a new product and new technology, and many people still skeptical about its use. So people actually will worry about that the security of this app. Although we already mentioned the security and privacy is guaranteed, but this is a new product. No many people to use it or to launch it. So as the new user will have many worry about the advantage and disadvantage. They will take our apps to compare with other products. So for a long time, mobile wallets have become the main payment option for people if we always guarantee that our product is in the best situation. So lastly is matching strength to opportunity, converting weakness and threats. So the importance of synchronizing data from multiple platforms, bank account, mobile account, credit and debit cards and bills should all be linked to help improve the management. Maybank should use modern encryption technology to avoid data leakage. So as the Maybank must always to improve their technology so that they will confirm that the data or any information that very important to the user are not spread out to outside. So next, the prospect of mobile wallet is very good. Many customers are willing to try the new innovation and prefer the convenience of mobile wallets. So as we can do some of the promote activity or talk to inform that to pass the information to the user, that so that the customer have a mindset on their mind about the Maybank Pay apps is very good and very convenient. So lastly, the consumer will to use it. So the Maybank should emphasize more research and development activity on various mobile security measures to improve security and privacy protection. So this is my part about the SWOT analysis. Thank you.